Hi guys, just wanted to talk about this. I am just loving this new YouTube journey. I am overwhelmed with the response, the appreciation, and somehow a pat on the back for being myself, which shouldn't be the case, right? Anyway, that's amazing. Which is why I'm able to sit here in my workout clothes, no makeup, hair messed up, because this is my reality. So just wanted to update you that all this eating, traveling, Italy, Dubai, Sakkara, mangsho, murgi, pasta, everything is made me gain a few kgs. But then I have a show next month in Bombay. Shows are coming up now and they're starting again. So I need to get back on track. At the same time, I can't stop my eating out. So basically when I'm going to be eating at home, I will be making some low calorie yummy dishes. Low calorie in the sense I would say low carb, and also I'll be working out, which I will try and capture, which I kind of took a glimpse today, which is a rough cut. I'll share that also with you guys. But very excited to say that I will also share this struggle, which is difficult because I have lost some of my stamina, but sharing it with you guys and your encouragement and your blessings will help a lot. So let me know what you think, and the workout videos will be helpful for everybody. So here's to being yourself. When I say weight loss, I don't want to be skinny. I just want to be proportionate enough to look good on stage. I cannot be skinny. I will not be skinny. I'm happy to be curvy. This video is just a glimpse and a trial of how I'm going to be recording my workouts. And what else? So basically the whole shebang, getting ready for shows, eating right, rehearsals, lots coming up.
Done. चलेगा. आ गया.
Dodo. Move.
1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Get up.
1, 2, 3, 9. But that's it.
क्या नो मुझे इसको भी एक्सरसाइज करना है.
8, 1, full weight, couple, 2, hold down and pull up, 3, 4, 11.
No. Dodo.
Okay, ये complete हो गया. नहीं किया मैं, एक भी सेट नहीं किया. फर्स्ट सेट नाउ. 4, 5, 6, last 5, 4, 3, नजदीक रखो, मतलब लोअर बॉडी के नजदीक. यस ऐसे. 2, nice. 3, your back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1. Very good. 2, 7. Come on. 8. Last 2 only. 9. Back. 3, 4. Relax. 2. Straight line. और straight करना हाथ पर. 3. Easy. 4, 5, 6, एल्बो इनसाइड रखने की कोशिश करो, इजी, आराम से फॉर्म ठीक करो, एल्बो इनसाइड, यस, 3, वेरी गुड, आराम से करो, 4, बहुत अच्छे, 5, 3, 10, 11,
नहीं होगा,
चलेगा, डन, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, start, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, देखो आपको इजी होएगा, करो अभी, हाँ करो, 1, वेरी गुड, 2, स्ट्रेट करो, 3, हाँ चलेगा, सैटरडे परफेक्ट रहेगा,
ठीक है।
ओके
ओके,
गुड,
परसों का आप टाइम दे दो ना,
वही 7 o'clock करते हैं,
आप कल कंफर्म
सेम
करो,
टाइम,
कल आप मुझे बता दो परसों कितने बजे।
डन,
ओके, थैंक यू,
Bye.
बाय।
Now I'm going to cut some of the chicken and show you how juicy it is.